How to enable App Cloner for your Oppo Reno 5 phone with ColorOS 11. Let's get started. So you can use the control center to get into the main settings by tapping on this gear icon settings right there. Once you do this, you can choose to type in the search bar the word or words App Cloner. Once you do this, you'll see this appear as a suggestion. You can tap in it and it'll take you to exactly what I'm about to show you. And if you don't feel like typing for whatever reason, you can go all the way down to where it says App Management. You'll tap on that and you'll go to where it says App Cloner right there. Now, when you enter into that, you will only see a handful of apps as the App Cloner doesn't work or is not available for TikTok or Snapchat because I have it on my phone and it's not showing there. So for the most part, it will work for Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. And what this does, basically, it makes a clone version of that app, allowing you to sign in with a different username or another account while being signed in to the original version of that app. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate that for you for the meantime so you can see how it works. As you tap on it, you'll see Create App Clone. You'll turn this on. It's going to say creating it, and it's going to tell you that it has been added to the home page. So I'll just come out of that. And you can see now there is two Facebook apps here. I'll put them side by side so you can see the differences. One has this little badge on it, meaning that's the clone version, whereas this is the original one. Also, if you long press it and go into the app info, you'll see this one says clone, whereas the original one will simply just say Facebook. And once again, all this does, it creates a copy of that app itself, allowing you to stay signed into the first app and be signed in as another user account on the other app. And of course, if you decide to go ahead and disable this here, for example, when I turn this off, it's going to tell you deleting Facebook clone will irreversibly delete all its data. It's just simply going to delete everything that was stored on the app itself, but not the user account. So don't worry if you do that. Okay, you can always delete it, go back, turn on the clone version, sign back in as that other user account, and you're back to normal. So like, share, sub, and thanks for watching.